Up yonder the way.
Oh hell yeah, they shoot way up
Wonder how
yonder.
far you can see it all the way to the Gilbert store.
Probably.
I can see, look at this.
If they going way
Look,
up
I'm
that way,
videoing. Look at the
like
smoke. You see it on the camera.
We in a horror movie.
I swear.
Come on, phone, Janet. We in a horror movie. Woo! Yeah! Woo!
I almost didn't
Hey,
go
these
down
are
now.
better than the fireworks at Lake were. Tom said he tired of toting.
Light them all one time.
I wish I could see Billy running on camera.
Catch him running back.
I can't see it though. The darn smoke is clouding it all out.
Get over yonder. Go over there where James is at. You see him, Teresa.
That smoke is terrible, ain't it?
You see Billy running with the light. Oh, they ain't running now.
Woo!
Yeah! That's some big fireworks.
Yeah, that's making a hell of a bag.
Need to light one of them motherfuckers and throw it in somebody's mailbox.
Oh God, it'd blow the mailbox up.
Put one of them in somebody's house and blow the whole house up.
Blow the windows over there.
Get it running now, get it.
Run, run. Yeah!
There goes that.
What's going on?
Look at James. You're in a horror movie. You're in the movie The Fog, man.
Look like he's black too, though. You can't see his face.
Yeah! Y'all shoot one, they shoot one. Y'all shoot one, they shoot one.
Did they shoot one down there?
Back there, right here. Ours is better though.
We can't see nothing but the damn poles going that way.
Come here and see where the fire was.
There we go again.
They ain't running no more. They done got tired.
Yeah, those that go so high up, they ain't got to run away from them.
You got that one good, didn't you?
Yeah.
They ain't scared of it no more.
Yeah. They don't know what it was going to do the first time.
When they sit down now.
Hey, they still got a big one sitting right there too, ain't they?
Yeah, one right there.
No, they burnt that now.
Oh, okay.
Woo.
That's put a fire. Sweaty on.
Yeah, yeah. I'm recording it. I ain't video.
Where they at?
I'm just recording the whole thing. I ain't taking pictures. I'm recording it.
And you're going to have to say police, and I'm act like I'm trying to get away in the wheelchair. On that.
I've done it.
That goes sideways.
Yeah! That dog, every time one shoot, they go.
It's like a sound effect.
I take your breath.
Yeah, it's kind of been that way there.
Yeah, he echoed it.
It sounds like an
I
echo.
see the light go down there. Yeah,
Oh,
look.
yeah.
Back over yonder too.
You can't even see nothing back. You can't even
The long one everywhere they would shoot fireworks.
Oh, they be a
They
busy
be
night.
busy with it.
Yeah.
Running all night.
Yeah, that whole yard. Somebody over yonder.
I believe they're a little bit better.
You probably see him.
I don't want to go out.
They just tell how far you can see him.
Now he'll be running. No, he,
At least the smoke's blowing that way.
I see one still shining.
You want to see them run, watch that damn thing turn over by the time they light.
Yeah, be a little wheelchair.
So damn bacon, your nose messed all up, ain't it?
Uh-oh.
There go the grand finale.
I went around with that sucker. Right. Never know what that
Riley's here.
Oh yeah, the police gonna be over here in a few minutes.
There you go. There's the finale.
Yay!
I ain't lying.